Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, April 17th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. In the room here, we had some nice trades today. Not a lot of volume because still people, off today and coming back from the holiday. But we did have some good ones here. We had a trade in gold. We got long on gold, and that was at, let me give you the price. Got long on gold at, well, we actually took this trade twice here. Some people got long at same time or same price, but around 91.5, 91.7 at 921. Some people got themselves into a risk-free trade. It took only like 6 ticks, and then there would have been a break even when it came back down. And I said if that happened, we have to get back in if it goes back up. Other people did not get to the profit target yet, so they just waited it, and it didn't come that far against us. It came like maybe 7 ticks or 8 ticks against us. So they were just in from here, or they got taken out, got in from here, and we took this thing up. Trade went almost 30 ticks. Actually did go 30 ticks. Realistically, a lot of people got out around here. We were actually waiting to see if it would go higher, and then it just kind of tanked off here. So I told everybody, if it comes up here, let's move our stop up, and then you would have been taken out in your runner there. But could have got up to 30 ticks, 20, 25, more likely, and that was just a great trade. And then on the crude, we were in the ES trade. Not the ES trade. We were in the crude trade, or the gold trade, when this first crude trade happened. And I said there's a little bit of a ZL here. It's a little early. I said if you want to take it, that's fine. I prefer you're not 2 trades at the same time. But most people didn't take it. A few people did. Those who did, we added up here, depending on your entry. Came back down. We got out there for a break even. When it came back down, we took it again. And that was so nobody made money that first time on there. It was a break even, those who were in it. Second trade was at 10:57 Central Standard Time. Again, 52.87, 52.85. And we took that trade down and made up to 20 ticks. And the room closed. You see here was 11 o'clock. I said they were probably going to try to sneak it down here to test the overnight lows. Okay, a little bit, and that made up to 20 ticks there. And then the ES, we had a beauty. We had a power play in the ES, 32 quarter, 32.50. And that one again made it up. My target that I called was 92 quarter. Okay, I called this target here before we got in this trade right at the open. It went 5 points up, and I told everybody it's probably not going to be straight up. But I said if you want to try it again, we were long here, okay. And then I said to try to see if this will follow through up to here. If you're in, you don't have to add. If you want to add, you can add. Or if you want to take it as a new entry, you can take it as a new entry. Now from the 35s, it only made a point. So anybody who took this as a new entry, in all fairness, you got a point, and then maybe you had a break even. If you added on, or if you just didn't add on and you just held, you certainly could have got all the way up to the target. I actually said 9 to make sure you got filled for 9 quarter. And so far, that's been the high of the day. If this keeps going like this, it may certainly go up higher. But because we had higher targets, but again, the room's closed. So realistically, up to 5 points for most. However, it did go almost 7. That was a winner either way. Nice winner for everybody. Won on that trade. And we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, have a great day, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow.